Hey guys, got some meme coins sitting in your Phantom wallet and wondering how to sell them? Now, don't worry, I will guide you step by step to cash out easily. Let's dive in it. So, first step is to open the Phantom wallet. Open the Phantom wallet and make sure you are on the Salon network. Then you have to select your meme coin. Scroll through your assets and tap on the meme coin you want to sell. In the third step, you have to go to Jupiter or Radium. Tap the browser icon in the Phantom and select the Jupiter or Radium, whatever you want, and connect your wallet. Step 4. Swap meme coin for SOL or USDs. Select your meme coin and swap it for SOL and USDC. Review the details and hit the swap. Wait for a few seconds and your transaction will be completed. Now, the final step is to withdraw your options. If you want cash, send your SOL to the Binance coins, sell it for fiat, and withdraw to your bank. And this is how you can sell your meme coins on the Phantom wallet. And that's it for you have successfully sold your meme coins on Phantom wallet. If this video you found very helpful, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.